Hi everyone! So for today's vlog, I will be talking about the common types of visas here in UAE, also how to process from visit visa or tourist visa to work visa. I made this vlog because someone messaged me on my Facebook Messenger and she said, "Hello po, came across your YouTube channel po and find it helpful. Sana po magkaroon din ng vid about how to process work visa from tourist visa. Thank you po, God bless." Shout out, Miss Renzi. If you are planning to move here in Dubai, you should know the necessary documents and visa requirements for entering in the UAE. The UAE offers various types of visas, depends on the purpose of your visit. The common types of visas here in UAE are work visas or employment visas, tourist visas or visit visas, residence visas, and dependent visas. Each category has specific requirements, and it's crucial to determine the visa that suits your purpose of travel. Let's talk about tourist visas or visit visas. If you plan to visit the UAE for tourism purposes, you can apply for a tourist visa. Depending on your nationality, you may be eligible for visa on arrival or e-visa options. Tourist visas have a validity period ranging from 30 days to 90 days, allowing you to explore the UAE's attractions and experience in its culture. Next type of visas is employment visas or work visas. If you have a secure job offer in the UAE, you will need an employment visa sponsored by your employer. The employer plays an important role in the application process, as they will submit the necessary documents to the relevant authorities. So, what are the important documents for employment visas? Number one, passport. Number two, employment contract. Number three, educational certificates. Number four, medical fitness certificate. Your employer will guide you through the process and will assess the necessary paperwork. Number two visas is residence visas. Once you arrive in the UAE on an employment visas, you will need to obtain a residence visa. This process includes additional steps, such as undergoing a medical examination and obtaining an Emirates ID card. Your employer will assist you with your residence visa employment and guide you through the required procedures. And lastly, let's talk about dependent visas. If you are relocating to the UAE with your family, you can apply for your dependent visas for your spouse, children, or parents. The requirements depends on the relationship of the sponsor and the dependent. It's important to provide the necessary documentation or documents such as marriage certificate, birth certificate, and other proof of relationship for your visa applications. Here are my useful tips and insights. Number one, start your visa application process in advance so that you can prepare all of your documents and there will be no delay in case there is a problem. Number two, keep all your copies of documents for the process application submitted because you will be needed that in the future. Number three, stay updated for the latest information on visa regulations by visiting the official governments or websites. And lastly, be mindful of the visa validity and renewal requirements to ensure your legal status in the UAE. Also, always follow the guidelines provided. Now, let's talk about my journey here in UAE. Last year, I came here in Dubai holding a visit visa or tourist visa. I just came here to witness the wedding of my sister. I thank God I got an opportunity to work here. To answer the question how to process from visit visa or tourist visa to work visa, you need to submit all the requirements to your employer because they will be the one who will process your work visa. What are you going to give to your employer? Valid passport and a photocopy, passport photos, an Emirates ID card. Your employer will be the one who will guide you what you're going to do there. Next, the result of your medical screening, a copy of a company card from the employer, and lastly, a copy of company's commercial license. If you are planning to go here in Dubai, don't worry if you are holding a visit visa or tourist visa, because your employer will guide you and they will tell you what are you going to submit or to do, because that's the responsibility. I hope this vlog is helpful. If you have any question, kindly comment here or message me on my FB Messenger. So please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you and God bless.
Happy Independence Day.
Hello po.
Vlog?
Vlog po sa vlog.
Sa ano? Para mapanood.
Punta na po tayo ngayon sa event.
First time namin. Medyo excited. Kasi nga, di ba, galing ako ng ibang country.
Kasunod po ang kailan kapag Independence Day, madam?
Meron namang event ang consulate, kaya lang, not the same as UAE kasi parang sobrang daming Filipino. So parang may community pa. Gano'n. Doon naman sa Thailand, may mga Filipino pero not as huge yung population.
Sobrang init po kasi dito sa Dubai. Kaya nakapayong po kami.
Medyo naupa po ako. Paminsan-minsan na lang. Hindi naman. Mainit kasi. Tapos malamig. Alam yung gano'n.
We'll see you in the future. Happy Independence po! Nandito na po tayo sa event. Madaming Filipino community.
Alright, thank you everyone for the opening parade at 2023.
Welcome to my vlog! Shout out! Hi guys! Hi sa mga fans!
Independence Day!
Hi!
120 feet! Ang ganda ni Sue!
Abangan niyo po ang interview natin sa ating mga artista ng The Iron Man.
Sobrang ganda at bait ni Sir Ramirez sa personal. Para lang po kami mga magkakaibigan na matagal na hindi nagkita-kita. Sobrang approachable din po nila at hindi makalaing mga artista yung mga kasama ko sa picture.